What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you something new in the address book on I2P Plus. And so this should actually help you, I think, finding new sites and especially new sites that are currently working. So I think this video should be very helpful to those who are getting started with I2P, or even those who have been on I2P but just aren't sure how to find working sites. Now, a lot of you have seen my earlier videos, so you may have seen Not Bob's work, which is he or she has done some great work. It's not Bob. I'm not sure if the real name's Alice. I have no idea. You know, the PGP thing. But also has a blog, so make sure when you go over to this and you see the stats, but I'm going to get to the point of the video in a moment. I just wanted to show you this. So you got to actually click on the van, go to the blog, and then you can actually see almost daily reviews of different I2P sites with the appearance, the quality, the nitpicks. So this is also a good way you can discover sites. And basically today's video is just going to be on how you're going to discover new sites that actually work, because of course, you know, people experiment and then sometimes they don't continue that experiment. That is normal on Tor, that is normal on the average internet site. So we can see Not Bob's graphs here showing the uptime. You can see how fast the ping. You can see all the different stats that you want to see, but it's quite a bit, and it's all alphabetical order. But how would you find what you're actually looking for? I mean, you can't tell what some of these things may be. So how would you know? Well, let's take a look at the new address book. Now, take a look at my version here. You may want to go into your updates, and then you could go and set it to automatically update everything. Update with signed development builds, and that is something I do. So you may want to copy this over, and on all these settings, you might want to pause it, fix that for yourself. Then it'll automatically update for you, because sometimes there are some important updates, sometimes some optimizations. You want to get the latest and greatest. And right now, of course, I'm running a development build. So over here, we're at the address book. How are you going to find that? Well, first thing, you're going to be right here. And you can also find sites of interest right here. These are some main sites, and look at that. My blog's over here. Appreciate the ad. So that's pretty cool. So you can also find my blog right to privacy.i2p. We're going to be doing a video on how to get on IRC on I2P coming up probably next. But back to the point. Let's go to the address book. So this is what I recommend you take a look at. You go to the address book. Now what's really cool is this is sort of linked in with Not Bob's work. So with all the stats and everything, you can actually see the status of the site over here. See the greens? Well, that's what you want to see. So you're only going to visit the greens. The reds are not a good sign. That means it's not responding right now. So that's what's really nice about having that green. But it's even better than that. Of course, you can actually go up here and see the different topics. Now, you could search and say, I wanted to look up forums. I could try it this way. But you know what? That's only going to find things with forum in the host name. But what if it doesn't have forum in the host name? Well, you can actually go over to discussion forums. Remember, leave this part blank so you can just list all of them. Discussion forums. Okay, there we go. We have a few that are actually classified as discussion forums. Now, getting rid of that and try it again. Let's see if I can get this to go away. Okay, here we go. We've erased this. You want this to be blank. That way you can just click on each thing, file hosting, and see how I didn't type anything up here, and it shows all the file hosting that is known in this, at least what is registered as file hosting. You want to check out some ebooks and libraries? Take a look at all these. You can take a look at all those, and especially the ones with the green. These are the ones that are registered. It doesn't mean that there's not other sites. It just means that's what's in our address book right now. Now, there's even some things that I wouldn't click on right here. But take a look at this. Crypto. So for you guys, whoever is interested in crypto stuff, take a look at all these. So you can see a ton of different options, and you can see their status. Really cool. Love to see it. Love to see these kinds of updates, because this really does help people navigate. Now you can see the helper link over here. You can see the B32 address. So if you have trouble, if you click on this and it's not known to your address book, actually that would be in another case, but this helper here is what normally would take you to a site. So if you just typed in a .I2P domain and didn't find it, you would use the helper link there. But we're just showing this little feature because I thought this would be very useful video to people, considering that you don't have to search for any words, because that'll only show you stuff that's in the host name. If you just want to actually see what's out there, well, then you just take a look at what this is. Okay, we got Git repositories. Look at all these. So you have a lot of different Git sites. Why don't we try one out? Let's test out if that green signal is actually working. We'll take a couple looks. I don't know how often it checks, so some of them, but you'll be much more likely to be able to visit a site as long as it shows that. Now here's human rights and civil liberties. Let's take a look over there. So you can explore all of this and just see what comes up. Hong Kong watch, wait a minute, that one says red, so we're not going to look at that. Then there's an Iran freedom one. And there we have it. We have, this is one of these examples. Now some may take a little bit to load. The ones that aren't reachable, of course, I'm just going to exit out of that. So you might want to bookmark some things that actually work for you. And of course, take a look at the status, open democracy. So these buttons here, these are what's really going to help you find what you're looking for. You want to find some internet radio? I had somebody ask about that the other day. And there we have it, a nice little Git place, an I2P one, an Eepsite, and these have discussions, algorithm, okay. Open democracy, the Great Ministry of Defense to Palantir Pipeline, there's a popular topic. So, I think it's really cool, the new features, and of course, this is blocked, but that's funny. Then you have Get Lost. Interesting. So I've opened quite a few. Let's see what's on this Git spot, if it's public or not. So, of course, you know, you'll want to make sure some of these things may not be public, so that may be why. So, if I'm invading your space, I'm just trying to help people here. So, dawn.I2P, okay. So these are all different ones that are filtered out just based on the type. So as you can see, the little icon. Then if you want to find stuff that's official infrastructure services, you want to find news, you'll go to this one. So as you can see, there's a ton of options. And this new, address book with the status over here, I think is super helpful. And then taking advantage of these buttons, I think also super helpful. Now, let's say you need to, privately and securely share information. Well, you might want to go to this button, which would be here. You have all these little paste bin, private bins. Now, private bin is something I host as well. So this is a really great option, private bin. It looks like there's a few private bins. In fact, it looks like at least 4 of them. And what that means is, oh, look at that. I wonder, I have not seen you in a while. Hope you're doing well. I actually know who that is. So, you got a private bin over here, privatebin.eepsite. That's pretty cool. Love to see that they're still around. I don't know their real name, but I do talk to them. So, hello there. I'm showing your site. And then we have this private bin. As you can see, this is loading. So that's what you might want to do, and I just wanted to do this little short video, however short it may be, just to kind of show you some examples of how you're going to find stuff very easily, and with the status you can really take advantage of that to only visit the ones with the green. I think it's really cool. So wanted to share that with you guys today. I will be doing another video talking about how to get on IRC, Internet Relay Chat, using I2P. Make sure to share the video with other people who might have an interest in learning about I2P, and I'll be back soon with another video on how to protect your security and privacy.